Hi friends, you are also known Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean is a great comedian. You also known as a legend, as a great comedian. Mr. Bean is a great person, such a great person, because he is always laughing at us. You also known as great legend. Mr. Bean is a British sitcom created by Rowan Atkinson and Richard Curtis, produced by Tiger Aspect and starring Atkinson as a title character. Mr. Bean is a great character, yeah. You also know, yeah. And you know, I mean, a childhood. Mr. Bean is a great cartoon. You also know Mr. Bean as a cartooner, cartoon picture. We also see this. And now Mr. Bean is a great comedian. Wow, great comedian. He is a silent but a tell very some things. You also see the Mr. Bean videos, episodes, movies, and you also like Mr. Bean as a legend. He is born on 28 June 1951 in English actor and writer. He is best known as a writer of Mr. Bean with his real name is you also know Rowan Atkinson. Yes, he and Atkinson are close friends. They are appeared in Funny Business Visual Comedy, a documentary on the mechanical of a visual humor. As an actor, he has appeared in episodes of television shows such Only Fools and Horses, The Jolly Boys Outing, Murder Most Horrid, Dear John, Alice Smith, and Jones, The Fast Show. He has a son, Sam Driscoll, who is also an actor. You also know. He is a great comedian and actor. Many people are also like him. No haters, such a. You also know. Friends, you also know कि such a no. Friends, you know Mr. Bean is a qualified man. He is studying for master degree at Oxford University. You can't believe he is a master degree. You know master degree, but he work at it as a comedian. And you know friends, Mr. Bean followers is 200 millions. You can't believe 200 millions and no haters. No haters, a one man. You can't believe it. During its original 5 years run, Mr. Bean met with a widespread acclaim and attracted large television audience. The series was viewed by, you guess, 18.74 million viewers for the episodes. The Trouble with Mr. Bean and has received a number of international awards, including the Roche d'Or. The series has also been sold in 24/5 territories worldwide and had inspired animated spin-off and two theatrical features. Land Film Longs wrote at Mr. Bean for a performance at the London 2012 Summer Olympics opening ceremony television commercial after several sketch for comic relief. I like also Mr. Bean character and you also like Mr. Bean character. Very funny character. It's comedy. His reaction, face reaction, I like it very. And still I see Mr. Bean episode. My parents always tell, please don't show it. It is you are not a child. But I will tell, please, mom, please see this. He is a great comedian. He is qualified master degree of Oxford University in London, but he is a comedian as character. And you also know, friends, Mr. Bean is teach us something. What you also know is how to make happiness at critical situation. Mr. Bean is an international actor. You also known as a legend, as a great legend. He qualified in master degree in electrical engineering at Oxford University. Mr. Bean's earliest appearance occurred at the Just for Laughs Comedy Festival in Montreal, Quebec, Canada in 1987. You know, friends, some episode is made by engineering. Some situation, Mr. Bean is as a engineering. Mr. Bean work is a engineer. You also know episode number 23 as a car episode. You know when Mr. Bean drive on the car roof. It's such a comedy. Many international awards give to Mr. Bean as a legend, as a great comedian, as an international actor, the great multi-millionaire. You know, friends, the character name was not decided until after the first episode had been produced. Such a strange. A number of other vegetables influenced names such as Mr. Cauliflower, well explored. Atkinson cited the earlier comedian character Monsieur Hulot, created by French comedian and director Jacques Tati, as an influence on the character. Atkinson also the influenced the Peter Sellers, who had previously played similar slumbering fool character, notably Hrunley Buxy in The Party, 1968, the Inspector Clouseau in the Pink Panther films. Mr. Bean is also similar to earlier silent films, relying purely upon the physical comedy with the Mr. Bean is speaking very little dialogue. You know, friends, Mr. Bean also worked as employed as a guard in art gallery in London. He was employed in the security guard. You know, friends, he lives alone at the address of flat number 2, 12 Arbor Road, Highbury, and is almost seen in the trademark tweeded jacket and a skinny red tie. You know, friends, all episodes are silent, but they tell us very things about life, happiness, strange situations, how to fight. Mr. Bean often seems unaware of basic aspects of the way the world works, and the programs usually features his attempts at the what would normally be considered simple activities such as going swimming, using a television set, interior decorating, or going to church. The humor largely comes from his original solution to problems and his total discreet for the others when solving them, and his pettiness and occasional malevolence. The beginning of the episode 2, Mr. Bean fall from the sky in the beam of light accompanied by the child singing Homoki Estaba, which was sung by Southwark Cathedral Chor Corps in the 1990. Now, at the end of episode 3 and 6, he is also shown being a circuit right back up into the sky in the respective background scenes. You know, friends, when sometime I feel the desperate, the some headache, some tension, I will show the Mr. Bean episode because he always smile give up me and teach us one moral, and he very helped me. Thank you.